Good afternoon, Executive.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Please, what's the difference between a comedy show and a comedy crusade?
It's very clear now, you understand now. A comedy show is a show that you come to, you enjoy clean and classic joke, and you go back home fulfilled. While a comedy crusade is the one that you will come to, and you hear small joke, but enough begging. A comedy show is a show that you come to, and it start early by 7 p.m., and you go back before bedtime. While a comedy crusade is the one that your friend will not be calling you after level, and he'll call to ask you, after the show does start, 12 a.m., the show has not even started. A comedy show is the one that you attend and enjoy the show before after party. While a comedy crusade is the one that you go to the club first. Inside the club, you will now be calling after that show does start, which means you attend the club before you attend the show. Meanwhile, a comedy show is a show that will make you enjoy your show. That's so that the show will not show you. While a comedy crusade is the one that you go to and the show will show you highest crowd but lower sales. But the government of them all and the general overseer of them all is MOPness of king. MOPness of kings is the key to laughter. MOPness of kings for kings and not for kids. MOPness of kings is the one that you attend and you forget your sorrow. MOPness of king is the general overseer of them all and the government of them all. MOPness of king does not live in Nigeria. MOPness of king lives in Terra Culture, Lagos on the 27th of March.
Thank you.
Thank you.